I want to record y'all battling, like wheeling together. Wheeling together.
Today's video is sponsored by Golden Nugget Online Casino.
Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo. We're at the flipping lot and we're about to vibe. Look homie with the Yamaha. Right when I get here, the weather's like, nah, we don't want you to ride, which is crazy. So we're just gonna wing it. Good, bro. How you doing? Good. You with the YZ too, right? Or no? Is that a different person? No English. Yeah, amigo with the two-stroke. I want to record y'all battling, like wheeling together. Wheeling together. Goody.
Woo! Let's go. Before we go any further, I want to thank today's sponsor of the video, Golden Nugget Online Casino. Golden Nugget Online Casino has your casino favorites right on your phone. With over 300 real money games like slots, blackjack, roulette, and even live dealers, you can get that Vegas experience without even leaving the comfort of your home. Golden Nugget Online Casino is safe, secure, and reliable. And new customers get $77 in casino site credit if you deposit $7 or more. So download the Golden Nugget Online Casino app right now and use my sign-up code MotoBroo and you will be golden with the Golden Nugget Online Casino app.
Oh, coming in for the turn. Oh, I see you. I messed him up, bro. Once he saw I was recording. Hey, when you went like this, crazy. The two-stroke boys are outside. So sick. You know we love some two-strokes out here, bro. And we got the two Spanish homies really shredding, bro. Really putting in work. Bro, my rear tire is so bad right now. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what my rear tire looks like. So if any of you guys were wondering, we got the homies outside. Everyone's coming by. I'm trying to talk about my bike, but it's getting so loud. All right, so this is what my tire is looking like right now. It really don't look too bad because it's wet, but I'm pretty much showing wire all the way across. So that means today we're hitting a lot of rolling burnies, bro. That's what we're doing, and it's wet out, so you might as well. Bro, I didn't know he had. Look, yeah. Let's go. Look at everyone. Let's go. Money. Bro, it is so slippery out here. And look, they're still going for the turn, bro. Still going. Bro. So sick, man. So sick. Hey, this is a 2025? Hey, bro. I didn't know they made it in that color. It looks sick, bro. I do YouTube, yeah. MotoBroo.
Oh, alright. I'm gonna check you out.
Is that thing brand new or?
Yeah, I got it like 2 days ago.
2 days ago? Damn. This is pretty much a first start right here. The first start that's about to happen. Damn, I'm surprised they went for a green for a freaking Yamaha, bro. Like, you would sort of expect this to be a Kawasaki. Hey, what other colors did they come in?
I only seen the Yamaha blue there.
So this is their like new like graphic kit they're doing, like the green?
Yeah, like special edition.
Ah, okay.
Like this one and the blue one, the team blue.
Okay, yeah. I didn't know Yamaha would make like a green color. I think they would like, that's Kawasaki's thing, you know?
It's hard.
Bro, it looks sick, yeah. Let's get a clip real quick. In the rain. Just no swerving. Nah. Oh! Bro. Me and the homie outside. You know, YZ gang. Big YZ gang. You're really going crazy on that scooter with the vape. Ow! Yo! Bro, on the scooter. Let's go. Bro, that was sick. That was fire. Bro, that was sick. Look at everyone out here. Woohoo! Hauling ass. Yes, sir. Bro, everyone out here, bro. Woohoo! What up, my man? Bro, look how pretty that is, bro. So good. I love the pink and purple. Dude, that thing is beautiful. You're going for the turn. And he was close, but no cigar. I see Tater. He can't hide from me. He can't hide from your boy. Hell no. He still got it. He still got it. There's that boy Tater. Woo! What's goody? How you doing? Moto mommy.
How are you?
Good. How you doing? This damn rain.
You're tired.
Yeah, I haven't replaced it since last
I have
time.
one use at home. I want to donate it for you, bro.
Do you really?
Yeah, I do. But
It's a Shinko?
That's 18 or 19?
19. Yeah, I just need to order a new one. I've been lazy. Bro, look at the Mini, bro. Mini gang. Bro, those rims are clean. Holy shit. Those are the cleanest. Yeah. Oh my God! Ah! Oh, bruh! I got hit in the eye, bro, by a freaking, oh my God, dude. Like a big water drop right into my eyeball. We got the whole gang out here, bro. What the hell? I didn't even know y'all were here. Let's go, bro. Bro, right when I come, it rains, dude. Like, look at this, bro. What kind of shit is Florida? Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The lot was popping, man. I don't even know if y'all can hear me because there's music everywhere. But stay motivated, stay disciplined, and shout out the sponsor of today's video. Till next time, I freaking love you. Peace.